Hello everyone, we are from Newton School. This is Ravi from Newton School. We the Newton School giving a Python crash course of episode 5. Today we are going to a Python crash course episode 5. Before getting into the topic, we want to know about Grand Coding Contest. Just 3 days to go. The Grand Coding Contest. It has exciting prizes to win. And beginners also compete there. The Newton School is conducting a grand coding contest. How to register for the grand coding contest? Newton School grand coding contest. Let's get into see how to register it. Chrome లోకి వెళ్ళి newtonschool.co అని టైప్ చేస్తే we will get into here the Newton School main website and click here grand coding contest. Register now. The 27th August is the competition day. Cash prize for the winners. First prize is 50,000, second prize is 25,000, third prize is 15,000. Now click here, register now. We are getting into next page. Next page లోకి వెళ్ళాక you have here the college name. College name ఇక్కడ టైప్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ స్ట్రీమ్ టైప్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ passed out year type change. Next, how you know about this? If you are knowing about this from YouTube or social media, any of the social media platforms, and you click here submit, you will notify when the competition starts. You will notify when the competition starts. Now getting into the topic. Now we are getting into the topic. Today's our topic is Python Crash Course episode 5. Let's get into it there. We are completed in episode 4 as numbers, strings, lists and tuples. We have to complete sets and dictionaries in episode 5. Now getting into episode 5. Here. Now we are getting into sets. A set is an unordered collections data type that is iteratable, mutable and has no duplicate elements. A set has integers, strings. It is the unordered collection of data types. Python set class represents the mathematical notation of set. The major advantages of using set as opposite to a list is that it highly optimized method for checking whether a specific element is contained in the list. Now we are getting to see some of the operations of set. How the set can be written. Set ఎలా రాయాలో సెట్ లో ఆపరేషన్స్ ఎలా చేయాలో ఇప్పుడు సెట్ ఒక సెట్ నుంచి ఇంకో సెట్ యూనియన్ దాన్ని ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేయాలో చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం న్యూటన్ స్కూల్ వెబ్సైట్ లోకి వెళ్ళాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ దర్ వెబ్సైట్ యాజ్ we can code here. See how to write a set. Type here the set equals to lower brackets 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma bat comma ball. See here, this was a set. Now we want to print the set. Print set. See here, bat and ball 1 2 3. This is an unordered data type we have typed there. We have an integers and we have strings there. Bat and ball 1 2 3. Now we got the output as 1 2 3 bat and ball. See. Next we can add something here. Set dot add. You can add here. Set dot add కుమార్ అని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను నేను అక్కడ. సెట్ డాట్ యాడ్ కుమార్. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు కుమార్ అక్కడ యాడ్ అవుతుంది. యా లాస్ట్ లో కుమార్ యాడ్ అయింది. 1 2 3 బాల్ బ్యాట్ అండ్ కుమార్ అనేది అక్కడ యాడ్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ we can do some of the mathematical operations. Here take x as one set, 1 comma 2 comma 3, and y as another set, 3 comma 4 comma 5, and z as another set, 5 comma 6 comma 7. And see, now we have to do something mathematical operations here. We know union, intersection and difference. Now we are getting to see one of these. Union, we are getting to see now the union. Output, we want output from this. We are doing an union. Output equal to x dot union of, we want y and z, y comma z. Now print the output. Print the output. You get output as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now you can run the program. You got the output as 1 2 3. మనం ఇక్కడ యూనియన్ చేసాం. Means we have in mathematical operations 1 2 3 4 5 6 total combinations double ఉంది రాకుండా we can get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 directly. ఇక్కడ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 అనేది అవుట్పుట్ వచ్చేసింది. Next we have many operations like this. In further sections we are getting to discuss about it. These was the set operations, some of the set operations. Next, getting into dictionaries. See, what is the dictionary actually? How is the dictionaries? Dictionaries are used to store data values in keys and value pair. Means we have the key and value. Means we have an key and value. A dictionary is a collection which is ordered, changeable and does not allow duplicates. Key in a dictionary do not allow polymorphism. Yeah, polymorphism is many of things. Dictionary are used to store data values in keys and value pair. Now see how the dictionary can be written. Dictionary ఎలా రాయాలో, dictionary operations ఎలా చేయాలో we want to see now. See, we are getting into Chrome and we are getting into newtonschool.co. Here ఇక్కడ dictionary ఎలా రాయాలో చూద్దాం. We want to take dict of company. We have a company as Toyota. And we have a year and we have model actually. We take as model now. Model is premium. And year ఇక్కడ year తీసుకో. Year 2012. Now this was a dictionary. We have keys. Company is the key and Toyota is the value. Year is the key, 2012 is the value. Company అనేది key, Toyota అనేది value అన్నమాట. Next, we want to print. డిక్షనరీని ప్రింట్ చేద్దాం. ప్రింట్ డిక్షనరీ. చూడండి డిక్షనరీ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది. We are going to print dictionary. See, dictionary equal first company. Now the dictionary is printed. Dictionary print అయింది. Next we can see some of the keys and values. How to see keys? See here. What is the key and what is the value? X equals to dic dot is. Sorry, it was wrong actually. Want to print here. See, now the keys is company, model and year. Keys అనేవి కంపెనీ అన్నమాట, మోడల్ అండ్ ఇయర్. కీస్ అనేది. Now values ఏంటో చూద్దాం. We have values. Now ఇప్పుడు values చూద్దాం. వాల్యూస్ అన్నవి టొయోటో ప్రీమియం 2012 అన్నమాట. And we can update the values also here. These are the values. Keys and values to see like that. Now we can update the year of year. See, we are updating an year. Date of, we are updating an year to 2012 to 2021. 2021. 2012 నుంచి 2021 కి అప్డేట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ప్రింట్ డేట్. ఇప్పుడు ఇయర్ అనేది 2012 నుంచి 2021 కి అప్డేట్ అవుతుంది. చూడండి, సి ఇయర్ అనేది 2012 నుంచి 2021 కి అప్డేట్ అయింది. These are the some of the operations in dictionary. ఇవి operations dictionary లో. And we are using some of the loop statements here and many of things we can use here. For loop and while loop and many of things. And we can get some of the values here and we can get some of the output here. See once. We can get the model. How to see only the model when we have three. ఇక్కడ మూడే ఉన్నాయి కానీ ల్యాక్ ఆఫ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎలా ఒక మోడల్ ని ఒక ఇయర్ లో చూడాలి. ఒక మోడల్ ఇప్పుడు మోడల్ ఎలా చూడాలి చూపిస్తాను. X equals to dict. We have dict as dictionary. We took as dict as dictionary. Dict dot get of మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఏం కావాలి, మోడల్ కావాలి. మోడల్ ఇప్పుడు మోడల్ చూడాలనుకుంటున్నాం కాబట్టి మోడల్. ఇప్పుడు మనకు మోడల్ అనేది ఏంటిది, ప్రీమియో అనే మోడల్ చూపిస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఇయర్ కొడితే 2012 అని చూపిస్తుంది, కంపెనీ కొడితే టొయోటో అని చూపిస్తుంది. లెట్స్ సీ ఐ విల్ షో అండ్ వన్ అని. కంపెనీ కొడదాం, కంపెనీ అప్పుడు we can see టొయోటో. ఇప్పుడు టొయోటో చూస్తాం. These are the some of the operations in dictionaries and we have seen today's sets and dictionaries. Let's get to the conclusion today. Our conclusion is we have seen sets and dictionaries. These are the sets and dictionaries. Thank you. We are from Newton School. This is Ravi from Newton School. Do subscribe, share and like. Subscribe, share and like for the Newton School. Thank you. Do compete. We have a grand coding contest on August 27th. Do register and enjoy the contest. Please do subscribe, share, like for the Newton School. Thank you. Have a good day.